let me show you how I build a simple raise bots in which you can also build yours. So this is actually on this. We are using it to do an example. So this is what we call a poetic raise generator workflow. Okay. So let me just edit this thing. So poetic raise workflow. So this n8n is designed to generate poetic and emotional resonance romantic message raised using AI language model, combining two AI approach to personalize the content. So what this does is when you input something here, is going to go to this using this function, this system prompts, and it's going to give you a result using DeepSeek. But if you want to build this something like this, we can use what we call open router, which is free. So let us build it. First thing we need is what we call the chat input. Okay, what we call the open chat input. Let me just drag this thing down. um let's click on it. I think the reason why it doesn't come up is okay, chat trigger. So only one trigger node is allowed. So we have this one chat trigger. So after this start trigger, you want to find an AI agent. Just click on AI. You are going to see an AI agent. Click on it. As you can see, it's going to pop up here and leave it like that. The next thing is connecting this AI. So I'm going to just use this one. Okay, connecting this AI. After you connect it like this, you are going to add a model. So I'm going to delete this one for now. So if you want to add a model, if you have any model you would like love to add, maybe you want to add a llama, or this one is free. I know this one is free. So let us go for the Google Gemini right now to see if this can work. So I'm going to click on create a credential and get this key from Google Gemini and see how this is going to respond. So where are we going to get this thing? So we have to get this thing for the Google Gemini. Um, create UTO. Okay, I'm going to search for this online and let's see what we got. I think there's a way we actually get this thing. So here is it. Get Google Gemini Developer API. Okay, I think this is set up, or I don't even know where we're going to get. Okay, this is it. Let's get it here. Let's get it here. And also we have what we call the Groku, blah 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 like that. Is this thing even correct? Let's check it. Okay, I think we can get this right now. Okay. So after we get here, we are going to go for get the API. When you click on get API, you are going to see some of my projects here. So let me click on create a new API. I'm going to create this one as a tester, just tester. Okay, I don't think we need to search for, just select any project, and if you don't see any projects, just pick a random one and create API. So let's go for this and paste it and click on save. So we have to try this thing out to see whether it's going to work or not. So I think we are done, and this thing is adding a memory tools. So just add simple memory, and I'll have to keep 100 of this. So the next thing is open this chart. After you open this chart, I think we have to clear this one. So I've deleted this section and add the chart, open chart again, raise my girlfriend. Okay, so you can either connect this thing to Instagram. Okay, this is what we actually have. Fetching error, blah blah blah. The model is not found in API fashion. I don't know. Let's see the option that we like to choose. So I think there is a lot here to choose. Let's see the one that we can choose now. Bison provision. I think there is a one we call 2.5 experimental. So let's try this out again. Let's try this out again. Control C and Control V. So if this doesn't work, can go directly for what we call so this is what I said. This one doesn't look feel with you. I feel like I found missing verse to my poem. You feel like required to blah 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 blah. So this model, I don't like this. I don't like this model. So we can actually try to choose another model to work for us. So let's go for another one. This is imaging model. I think we have a lot to actually do here. Understanding text generated output, blah blah. I don't even know the latest one. Latest one right now. This is 12 billion, 27 billion. Um, let's see, Flash Pro. So I want to check something here. Let us go back to their main page right here and see the one we would love to use. So we love to use the Gemini 2.5 Pro preview. Let's see if that is available. Gemini 2.5 Pro preview. Let us select this. This is like on May 6th, and let's go with this. Please, my girlfriend. So you can use this for anything. This is also easy, guys. So if you don't want to use this, you can register for the open router. Open router. I'm going to explain that one in the next video. For now, I'm using DeepSeek API, which is actually working for me. Okay, let's see what we got. Maybe this one is not going to write a long poem for us. Maybe it's going to understand what we are saying. Okay, so you can use a different model. Okay, different model that we love to use. We have the Mistral, the OLM, the Grok, blah blah blah, like that. Okay, so let's go and see this. See, still waiting for this. So you can always use DeepSeek or Open Router. So if you want to use Open Router, just make sure you are using the free one. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and do have a nice day.